V.S. Monica from grade 6 JSLV1 presenting the news for the day. Today's headlines. Tamil Nadu's G. Akash became the country's 66th chess grandmaster, while the statement M. Pranesh and Goa's Ameya Audi earned international master titles. Chennai and its three neighbouring districts Kanchipuram, Tiruvallur, Chengalpattu will emerge from a 17-day intensive lockdown today with the easing of curbs. The Tamil Nadu Generation and Distribution Corporation has asked its supervisors to resume door-to-door meter reading from today onwards, and also said there would not be any exemption henceforth for meter reading, even if the lockdown was to be expanded beyond July. 11 days after the centre asked the University Grants Commission to review its guidelines on final year university examinations, there is still no clarity for many students across the country. 7 states announced cancellation, others waiting for orders. The 9 members expert committee formed to study the reason for the health due to COVID-19 in the city submitted its report to the state government on Sunday, and the report will be uploaded on the health department website after the government's examination. The Tamil Nadu government has decided to go in for pool testing of COVID-19 samples. The protocols are expected to be ready in a few days. As part of its efforts to save flood waters, the Water Resources Department (WRD) has proposed to construct 3 check dams across various waterways in Tiruvallur district. The Information Technology IT Park at Vadaparanji will be converted into a COVID-19 care center in 2 weeks. It can be accommodate 1,100 patients. Kerala government makes compulsory for public to wear masks, follow COVID-19 norms till 2021. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday called on President Ramnath Kovind and briefed him on issues of national and international importance at Rashtrapati Bhavan. India has withdrawn a planned reopening of the Taj Mahal, citing the risk of new coronavirus infections spreading in Agra from visitors flocking to see the 17th century monument of love. The Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE) and Facebook have partnered to launch curriculum on digital safety and online well-being and augmented reality for students and educators. Union HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank announced on Sunday, moderate level earthquakes hit Gujarat, Mizoram. Amidst the coronavirus pandemic, China has just sounded the alarm for a possible bubonic plague infection. Health officials warn against eating marmot meat. Bhutan has objected to China's claim that it owns the Sakten Wildlife Sanctuary in eastern Bhutan just a few days after this China was claimed ownership of the eastern parts of Bhutan. The United States is engaged in the exercise of sending 2 warships B-52 to the South China Sea to indirectly warn China that it is pursuing a conflict with its neighbors. Corona updates. Global COVID-19 count reaches to 1,15,56,681. India now 3rd worst hit COVID country after US and Brazil. Country's total tally reaches to nearly 6.9 lakhs. Tamil Nadu reports 4,150 new cases. Tamil Nadu cases jumped to 1,11,151 and death toll rises to 1,510. With this, me, V.S. Monica of grade 6 JSLV1 signing off with the note of keep watching Viricham TV. Stay tuned and stay happy. Thank you.